Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a PS5 HDMI Port Replacement. I've already went ahead and prepped the board. Let's get it off. Alright, no torn pads. Always appreciate that. We got the old SATA off. I'm getting the new SATA on. If it will go, take my SATA. There we go. Come on. Take my SATA. Hey, there we go. And then these two little points. Because I accidentally took off that cap. Come on. There we go. Alright, we got the board prep, port prep. Let's get it on. Also, the little cap is right there. We're going to try to bake that into place as well. Alright, so now we just need to solder in these posts, and then we could go ahead and check out the liquid metal for displacement right after we do the tweezer test on the pens. Then we can bolt it up and test. Alright, so anyhow, let's get these posts secured. Sorry for any bumpers. My advanced cell phone camera system. There we go. Alright, those are the pens that passed the tweezer test, and those are the posts. And we do have some displacement, nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and take care of that. Much better. Much better. Well, I forgot to do the before, but there's the after. Let's bolt her up and test. Forgot to clean the bottom half. I think we should clean it. Much better. Hey, we are back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Memberships are available. New videos dropped every Sunday. Be sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.